Get the hell up.
Oh.
You come up here and lay down and go to sleep? Hello? Yes. Huh? Hello?
Is on the line. Press 1 to be connected with an agent.
Can we drink these?
What are they?
They're
Apple juice. You need to get a boyfriend that you can see and touch.
and have sex with.
Huh?
And have sex with.
Oh, God. The dollar
It kind of
store.
smells like weed. It smells like weed. It does. You know, people
Let
are.
me see. How do you know what weed smells like?
Because I've been to Walmart. Why do you have such a big
I'm
piece?
about to
Greedy.
you.
You're hecka greedy.
Actually, there to shop for. There's not much.
So this looks like. Can I speak? So this looks like a ratatouille, but ratatouille's cuter than me, so that's not true.
She touched the tip. Wait a minute, this isn't right.
We're literally so cold. Like, why are we out here in the wind?
Booty sniffy.
Yeah. Oh my god, run!
Girl.
Oh my gosh. Young Shark West Young getting really rich. Loading.
You at the motherfucking dog.
Oh, no. I don't like that. Come on, Ellie. Don't put it up there anymore.
Oh, what are you getting? Wait, I wonder if this is good. Shopping on me. I'm struggling because Emily's making me film.
I'm not making you do anything.
Yeah, you
wanted
are.
to do it. You wanted to do it.
Well,
if you're not
sometimes
making
actual. Just chug
Okay,
it.
let's
All
get the
right.
food.
Oh, she's hungry.
I have 2 eggs.
Yummy.
You know some of mine.
They're even small. I think they're all living. I cannot. Yeah.
You want some more french fries?
Why are you laughing, guys? Are you saying that we're dumb?
Stop it. Did that.
Wait. You've done
Or
that?
swapped couples. I never would have.
Oh my god. Me neither. Swap couples.
Mhm.
It's like a game show. Lorette, I was like, no way to
No.
find. She was probably 13.
No.
That's how old she was when she smoked cigarettes.
It's
She was
13
12. She's like 13. No, I was 11.
now. No.
I was 2.
My cousin was 7.
Oh my god. Ethan. She lost her virginity at 7.
No. In Maine.
What?
See?
In
Mother
Maine.
used to
That
let
makes
her
it better?
Smoke.
And have sex?
No. No. Mm-mm.
Oh my god. So you think that I shouldn't lose my virginity until I'm 40?
What? You shouldn't. What? Leave
Lose
it
my
where?
virginity until I'm 40.
What's 1040? I went with Peter for like 8 years.
Where? You went where? Is there any nuggets left? No. Oh my god, Grammy, should I dye my hair like that? I was actually thinking
Like
about
what?
it. Look.
Oh no, I think that's so ridiculous looking.
I think he's sexy. Like, I'd smash. What about you?
That a guy?
Just don't edit.
I don't know if that's possible.
Oh, it works.
You're hecka ugly.
How did this one come on?
We found Astro World merch.
Astro.
She's walking down the aisle. She's like mine. I look like a pelican. Move. I'm trying to get some sushi.
She looks
With
like
the
Mary
socks.
Poppins.
Rich chick chick. These are so cute. They make my toes look.
Cute.
I don't remember.
I was gonna say, how do you walk in those? But I guess the answer is you don't.
Let me. I just farted.
Watch, Ellie's gonna get a toe fungus.
That's enough gonorrhea for the day.
Good find.
Chain hang to my ding-a-ling. Chain hang to my ding-a-ling.
Look at these shits.
I'm a cop. I'm about a cop.
Ugh, it smells so bad.
My butt looks good.
Oh, she got titties. Bougie.
It's like a corset or something.
A corset for your vagina?
No, that's a girdle.
It's shorts.
It's a girdle. That's getting.
We got some good cops from the Dollar Tree.
The Dollar Tree.
The thrift store.
And I'm fine with that. Like, you know, I want to help in any way that I can. But it says we. And these cats have.
Oh, that's cute too.
I know.
Is it? Wait till your mother sees them. She'll want them.
Too bad she has man.
Are they too big for you?
Michael!
Just bring it in here so I can dump
My
it.
best friend.
Can you come over here for a Phillips head?
Yeah,
I'll go get it.
Really?
yeah.
You
Well, I
wanna
was gonna
take
go to the
that
gym
stuff out
anyways.
and put it in there.
What?
Well, I'm getting.
We got Emily, Brody, Jacob, Ellie, Alexa, Brian, Tyler, Michael, Peter, and Ethan. Look like us too.
I said one thought, two thought, red thought, blue.
Do you guys know that I have chapstick for my head? It has weed in it. You put it on your temples.
Pop her up.
I did it!
We have to do it fast so it stays.
Go, fast.
Throw it.
You did
The
not.
chair. No.
Okay, wait, sit on it.
Oh! I
Bad.
think we did it.
No, we didn't.
Kind of like cheese, like Parmesan cheese or something.
Not Parmesan. It's a Saggio bread, which is a cheese.
Tastes like plain bread.
It's a nice messy braid. Like a little home.
I don't like that.
Alexa looks deformed.
There's the mix is not.
No, I thought the movie was called Before I Fall, but it says Universal.
That's the company that made it.
Open road.
How many
This is about
titles-
Texas? No, he's sexy.
Oh my god,
Put
she's
that
ugly.
bag down.
He's about to clap some cheeks.
Alexa, give me the bag.
I'm not Alexa.
All right, you little bitches, get your pajamas on.